Hey everyone, it's Minisa, and today I'm super excited to share an unboxing from one of my all-time favorite suppliers, Walnut Hollow. If you're into wood burning like me, you know how important it is to have quality basswood, and I just love the wood pieces that come from Walnut Hollow. Today I have a range of unique pieces to show you. Everything from some large rustic planks to some of my favorite live edge cuts. Plus, please stick around for an exclusive discount code that can save you a lot on your next order from Walnut Hollow. Okay, let's dive into these boxes and see what treasures we can find. So let's start with our first box. Inside we have these amazing rustic basswood planks. These pieces are roughly 7 to 9 inches wide and 36 inches long. The rustic texture gives them so much character, making them really perfect for projects where you want more of a natural kind of rugged look. These planks are super versatile, and the length is really fantastic for larger pieces. Whether you're looking to create a panoramic scene or just want the flexibility to customize your pieces, these longer planks are a fantastic option. And remember, you can always trim these down to the exact size you need. I find that it's really a cost-effective way to get the most out of your materials. I can't wait to try some long designs on these. Next up, we've got another box filled with some newer live edge pieces. Check out these rustic basswood planks. They are huge, at 11 to 14 inches wide and also 36 inches long. I mean, these are amazingly large and beautiful. They're perfect if you want a larger statement piece and allow a lot of room to create a really detailed design. These planks come with a beautiful live edge on the sides, which gives them a really nice rustic charm. With so much surface area, you can really get creative. These are great for, again, the big panorama wood burnings, or you can even cut these down as well for custom sizes for more specific projects. All these basswood pieces come pre-sanded, but I still recommend giving them a little bit more sanding before you start burning. I generally sand from 220 grit up to about 400 or 600 grit. Some of these pieces may have an occasional knot or burl, which I think really adds to the uniqueness of each piece. It's fun to get creative and work those areas into your design. But these planks are just full of potential. Last but not least, let's take a look at some of these smaller basswood planks. These are some of my absolute favorite pieces to burn on, and their dimensions are 7 to 9 inches wide by 11 inches tall. I love to burn on these because they offer such a consistent and even surface. They are really perfect for very detailed subjects, smooth shading, or intricate projects. One of the best things about these planks is that you don't have to deal with the irregularities that come with those glued together pieces of wood. These solid basswood planks provide a really smooth and even surface that's just a dream to work on. Here's a quick look at a recent wood burning that I made on one of these planks. It's a realistic steampunk themed raven, and you can see just how beautiful these turn out. Alright, so that wraps up our unboxing of these incredible Walnut Hollow basswood planks. From the rustic charm of some of the larger pieces to the really smooth consistency of the smaller planks, there's something here for every wood burning project. And keep in mind that Walnut Hollow offers so many more wood pieces than these. Definitely take a look and see what they have available. If you're looking to stock up, don't forget to use my discount code Minisa15 at checkout on walnuthollow.com, and you'll get 15% off your entire order. Be sure to take advantage of their free shipping on orders over $35, and you'll save even more. So I hope this gives you some inspiration for your own projects. Thank you so much for joining me today, and happy burning!